All right, guys, it's Anthony, Subaru Service. We got Mason's truck here. We finally got it to actually no start. Had to drive it for a long time, but we got air hook to it. Let's just get right to it. Here we go. See if something blows out. Okay, I'm not going to sit here and listen. We'll unpause it if we see something. Okay, it's not far-fetched. We could be looking at STC fitting. Coming out of both sides. Hasn't popped yet. Got pretty good amount of force coming out. Sounds like it's about to pop too. All right, we're still here listening. I'll put it right here on the... Look over here. You can hear a little bit out of here. Or I can feel a little bit. We're gonna let a little time pass. It's 120. Okay, guys. It's 129. It's been 10 minutes. We got ourselves a little mystery here. It's not blowing out. So I was just thinking I probably screwed up by knots. Pulled it in and got all in a hurry, trying to catch it when it's hot. Should have actually made sure it was high pressure oil for the no start. Should have. Instead, we pulled it in and just assumed hot no start, cools off, it runs. Could be something else. So, doesn't appear to be blown out. We're gonna leave it on for a while. All right, so here you go. 150, whatever, 3. Been a long time. So we're gonna keep it hooked up. I'm gonna go ahead and, man, I can't leave my phone with the video going for this long. We'll continue it. But sounds like passenger side. Could still be STC fitting though, blowing out, blowing over there. It very well could be. That'll suck. Let's see, has an EGR cooler on it, so STC fitting would mean, yeah, I mean, it's turned into a fairly big job. We'll see. Yeah, I'm cutting this off. We'll continue it once we get to it because we're actually eating lunch right now. And yep. All right, we'll continue it later. Have a good day, guys.